What's up, everyone? I'm making this video today to talk about second legs, trap traders, and the YouTube memberships. The YouTube memberships are now going to be breakdowns of live trades I took during the regular session and the overnight session. I traded around second legs and trap traders. So for this video, we're going to talk about the way I look for trades, my take profit, my stop loss, and then going forward, the membership videos will be about the actual trades and the breakdowns I take. Second legs have three types of traders. These are the three types of traders present in a second leg. The front running traders, trap traders, and then this is us, the second leg traders. We can use this first leg as an example. Bar 7 breaks the trend line, so we can say this is a leg down. Then multiple bear bars in a row, shot off to get a leg 1, pull back, leg 2. We see a tail on 12. So now we know bears are shorting and they're trapped down here. Then we see bar 13. Front running bulls are going to buy 13, hoping this is a failed breakout below the first bar of the day, bar 1. So now we have trap bears and front running bulls. These bears have two options. They can buy back shorts for a loss, or they can average in and get out at break even. Both times, bears are forced to buy back shorts. So let's put a line at their first entry and a line at their second entry. You can say their second entry is right around the EMA, right around the swing of 8. Put another red bar here for the bears. So now we can see front running bulls have made money from here to the high of 15. Bears are now trapped and their new average price is right here, the blue line. So now they're going to buy back shorts right here at the 50% level. Front running bulls are going to add to their position. So now we have the front running traders right here. We have the trap traders, the trap bears buying back, and then we have the second leg traders right here. That's us buying at the 50% level. This dynamic is what causes a second leg to be a high probable trade. I staggered these entries below the 50% level, but that's just so you can see the three entries. Realistically, all three traders will be buying at the 50% level. There's that dynamic for the leg 1, leg 2 for the bulls. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. When I trade 1-to-1, so my entry will be at the 50% mark right here, with a stop right down here, and my take profit right here. It's a quick trade, it's a scalp. Let's do another example for the bears. We're going to talk about bar 42 to 46 low. Front running bears see 42, they see 43, and they want to get short. So we're going to put the short here. So now we know bears are front running. They're hoping for the breakout. Trap traders, it's the bulls. Bulls are now trapped above 41 and 42. So we're going to put a line down here. They're going to buy around the support level here, and we can see they bought on 46 because there's a tail. Bulls now have bought here. The bulls' new average price is this middle line here, the 50% pullback for the bears. Again, now bulls are trapped. They're going to sell out of longs. These bears are going to press their position to increase their profits. And then, so we have front running traders, we have trap traders selling out of, trap bulls selling out, front running traders adding, and second leg traders, us, selling again the 50% level. This dynamic is what causes second legs and why it's very important for trap traders to be present within our trades. If you take away the trap traders, the trade may work, but there'll be less momentum. Here, you can see my stop would be up here, my entry would be here, my target would be down here. But there is enough pressure to get 3 to 4R on this trade. This is the way I look for every trade and the way I structure my trades. I look for front running traders, I look for trap traders, and then I'm the second leg trader looking to join on the pullback. I see the breakout, pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Breakout, pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. So these are the ways the membership videos will be structured from now on. There'll be trades I've taken throughout the week, and I will post them in the middle of the week and the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your time.